Hey, what's up, YouTube? Solo back here with part two of my little Texas series I got, y'all. And today I will be scratching ticket 35 and ticket number 16 with the rose gold riches, y'all. And let's see if these tickets will treat. I actually think I messed up on part one. I don't believe there was a cardinal. Oh, hold on, a mockingbird. I'm sorry. They had a cardinal down there, and I think that's where I messed up at. But y'all. Let's see if we can get a win today. I'm scratching with my A-Coast coin today, and let's see if we can get a win on ticket 16. 15 was not a winner, and yeah. Here we are just looking for a pot of gold to win the prize instantly, or a gold bar to win 5 times. We'd like to find her a big winner, send it back to Texas. Would love to find a big winner, send it back to Texas. Come on. I got my lucky number 50 right there, y'all. 29, 22, come on. 12 and a 42. All right. Let's see if we can get a winner. At a 17. Do not recall saying 17. That's a 43 right there. Do not recall saying 17. No. I got a 20. Uh, 21 right there. 22. No 20. I do not believe so. All right. 45. Oh. Oops. Well, that's all right. 14. We have automatic lights, y'all, and they just cut on and cut off, I think, every 15 minutes. Well, they don't cut on every 15 minutes, but when you walk past them, they cut on, and then they stay on for about 15 minutes. 1 second. Yeah. All right, so I do not believe I see a winner on this ticket, y'all. Do not believe I see anything. All right, so let's see if we can get to the Mega Loteria and see if we can win on this one. I'm gonna try to do this one better than I did the other one. I really messed up pretty badly. All right, I got a horseshoe, ship. Hold on, excuse me. Damn it, man. I got a lizard, a ship, horseshoe, and newspaper. Lizard, ship, horseshoe, and newspaper. Got a horseshoe. Lizard, ship, horseshoe, and newspaper. Nope, nothing else. Got a ship right there. Lizard, ship, horseshoe, and newspaper. Got a lizard. All right. Lizard, ship, horseshoe, and newspaper. No, nothing down there. Second row, we got rattlesnake, Lone Star, jackrabbit, and a cardinal. Rattlesnake, Lone Star, jackrabbit, and cardinal. Nothing up top. Cardinal right here. Rattlesnake, jackrabbit, Lone Star, and cardinal. All right, nothing else. Rattlesnake right here. All right. Got a football, bicycle, race car, and a chili pepper. Chili pepper. All right, we got a football. No football. We got a bicycle. Nope. Race car or chili peppers. No. We got a football. We got a race car right here. All right. You have a chili pepper. No. Bicycle. Nope. Do not believe I see anything else right there. I don't think I see anything down here either. So let's just keep on going. I'm gonna do 2 at a time. All right, got a fire, and we got a road runner. All right, got a road runner right here. We have a fire. Yep, right here. All right, how about right here? Road runner, fire. No. The cherries and the mockingbird. How about cherries or a mockingbird? Not right there. Cherries or a mockingbird. Not right there. Got cherries right here. Where's the mockingbird at? Mockingbird right here. All right. We got a mortar and pestle and a horse. Get the horse right here. We have a mortar and pestle. No. All right. Mortar and pestle and horse. Nope. All right. Mortar and pestle and horse. Nope. Got a bat and a cowboy. No bat, no cowboy. All right. No bat, no cowboy. Got a bat right here. Come on. Corn would be nice for $100. All right, no cowboy up there. I would love to see corn for her. Got a cactus and we got a guitar. Where's the cactus? We got a cactus right here. Do we have a guitar? Nope. Cactus, guitar. Nope. Got a guitar up here. All right, moonrise would be nice. Maracas, corn. All right, hold on. I do not believe we see the is it cactus, guitar? Nope. All right, 4 more spots. Got the pecan tree and a spur. No pecan tree, no spur. Pecan tree right here. No, I always get spur and spear mixed up. All right, pecan tree and spur. No. All right. We got a strawberry. We got the wheel. All right, got a wheel up here. I do not see a strawberry. Got a strawberry right here. No wheel. And nothing right there. All right, last 2. We have the people's shoes and the sunset. No people's shoes, no sunset. Got a sunset right here. The people's shoes right here. And no sunset. Oh, I missed a strawberry down here. All right. No, yeah. All right, y'all. I do believe these tickets were not winners, unfortunately, but I would definitely get them back out the mail to her, and I guess I'll double check it myself. And yeah, but I do not believe I saw anything, y'all. But you know, like I said, I will get them back to her in the mail probably tomorrow morning. And yeah, that's it. All right, y'all. Please do have a blessed day.